A traditional approach to maintenance might include just a fix when fail approach. You may have some customers who choose to assess the risk of a particular asset, and they may go so far as to actually house that information into a database. What can happen is if you have shift change with personnel, if you have documentation that gets lost, some of those maintenance intervals could not happen, and you would run a risk of having operational downtime. You could risk injury to a person on the job, or if a component is out over the water, you could have an environmental risk as well. A different side of that might be what we call reliability-centered maintenance. What it does is it allows them to assess the risk of each one of those assets. Based on those risks, you can take certain actions. Housing that information, documenting that information, and then being able to retrieve it later is all very, very powerful. Parker tracking system was developed to address the needs of a reliability-centered maintenance strategy. What PTS does is it allows them to catalog and store information about every asset that they choose to. And what we'll store is the date of manufacturer. When was it last inspected? When should it be inspected next? We'll also store things like DNV certifications or how the assembly was built. All those records are housed within that data set. The PTS system makes it very easy for the user to make a product replacement and understand what that bill of material needs to be in order to make the repair. And it really gives us a lot of very good information to help drive very good business decisions and improve profitability for the customer.